have a nice spicy little duet coming up. First, we have Sarah Curtis and Riley Laredo singing pretty much a song that I think all of us know the words to. And there are many, many fun renditions of this, but tonight they have put a fun arrangement together of Baby, It's Cold Outside. Maybe even less than that? Yeah, pretty impressive right there.